Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to uninstall YouTube app from PC. So to start, go ahead and open YouTube app. Then in here, at the top right, you'll see three dots. Click on that. Then from the options, look for uninstall YouTube. So if you see it, click on it. Then click uninstall to confirm your action and it will be deleted to your PC. Another thing you can do is you can go to settings. So go to start menu and go to settings. Then on settings, at the left side, go to apps. Then from here, at the top, click installed apps. Then click the search bar and type in YouTube. Press enter. Then hover over to YouTube, and then at the right side, you'll see three dots, which says more options. So click on that, and you'll see the uninstall option. So click on that and click uninstall once more to confirm the action. Then click uninstall again and just wait for it to be deleted. And that's basically it. So that's how you can uninstall YouTube app on your PC. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.